Hi guys, so it's the Tezos versus Coingecko airdrop, and this airdrop gives you instant $10 that you can withdraw to your Binance and then sell. Go to your app store and then download the Tezos mobile app. Today we are not using extension, we are using mobile app. Then create your account, or if you already have an account, then you can tap on import to import your wallet seed phrase. And then I already have an account, so I'll be importing my own account, and this is where you paste your seed phrase. You tap on next when you are done. So this is the mobile app. Then you're going to tap on your wallet address. You tap on receive and then copy your wallet address. Then go to wherever you want to you send your XTZ from. That's the native token of the Tezos. So I sent mine from Binance. I didn't even spend up to $1 to send mine, and you can see my transaction history here, and you can see my balance reflecting here. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to open your Chrome and you want to type in aka-swap/mint. aka-swap.com/mint. I'm going to leave the link in the comment so that you won't make a mistake in the process of typing it one by one. So allow the website to load. This process actually stressed me so much last night, but after going through all the corners and everywhere, you don't have to go through the same stress. I am showing you how to do it in this tutorial. So allow the website to load, and then you're going to tap on connect wallet. You tap on Temple because that is the wallet that we have. Temple is the same as Tezos wallet. Then you go into your mobile app. Remember that we are not working with extension now, so you are going to go back inside your mobile app to attend to the confirmation. You tap on confirm. Then after tapping on confirm, when you see the notification that it is successfully connected, you go back to your Chrome browser. Then you're going to tap on upload. You can see that my wallet is connected here. Then you're going to tap on upload, and you go into your phone gallery and then you upload any random picture. If you don't know where to get any picture, what we want to do here is we want to mint an NFT. If you don't know how to get any picture, then use AI to generate an image. Then select a title for the image that you uploaded. I uploaded a picture of a chicken, so I just used cookaboo. It doesn't have to be anything that makes sense or doesn't make sense. Then your description. If you don't know what to write in your description, use AI to generate a description. Next is tags. You are going to enter any tags that relate to the picture that you uploaded. So I just put in some random keywords there. For your image and text, use AI. You shouldn't say you don't know what to upload or you don't know what to write. Everything is easy these days. So I have entered some random tags. Next, you are going to enter the amount of NFTs that you want to be available. For the picture that you minted, you want to enter the amount of that picture that you want to be available on the marketplace. So I entered 1,000. You can enter any amount. You can enter 10,000. You can enter even less than 1,000. And next, you are going to choose your royalty fee. That is how much they pay you if they sell your NFT. Well, 25% is the highest, so I entered the highest. And then let that toggle button be turned on. So I'm going to also turn this toggle switch on. Use frame. When the picture has a frame surrounding it, I think it is more beautiful. So I choose yellow color and then tap on preview. Let's see what my picture looks like. Okay, so I uploaded the picture of a chicken, and with the yellow frame you can see that it looks more beautiful. It is optional, you can choose not to have a frame. Then tap on upload. Then tap on mint. So the transaction request has been sent to your Temple mobile app. So you are going to go back to your mobile app. There are two separate apps now, your browser and your app. Go back to your mobile app and then tap on confirm. And then when you see the transaction as successful, go back to your browser, your Chrome browser. Please use Chrome. That is what works for me. I did it for over 2 hours last night and couldn't get it done. So the transaction is successful, but you are going to go to the Tezos scan, their explorer, and you're going to copy the transaction hash of this transaction. That is it at the top. That is it at the top. You're going to copy it, paste it somewhere so that you won't mistakenly delete it. Next, you're going to open your Coingecko app. You can see other random pictures that other people uploaded. Someone uploaded a picture of her cat, of their cat. I don't know the gender. You can see this one uploaded a random screenshot. So just upload something. It's not like they want to sell it for you. It's more like you are doing their testnet, but with a real money transaction. So you can see random pictures that people uploaded. Use AI to generate your own if you don't know where to get any picture, or just use something. So open your Coingecko app and then tap on Tezos. As at last night, there were 39 slots left, but it has been refreshed, so there is over 3,000 slots left at the moment. Then tap on Redeem Now. Tap on OK. Complete that captcha. Then tap on Redeem. Tap on Redeem Now. But because I have done my own at the point of making this video, I can't go on further than this. On your end, you're going to see your access code and you're going to copy it. But if you do not copy it at that point, you can go to My Rewards tab in your Coingecko app, tap on Tezos, then copy your access code. That is it there. Tap on the copy icon, then tap on Use Now. Tap on Use Now again. It's going to take you to their page where you are going to make use of your access code. So tap on that mission 2, take the Tezos quiz, tap on that. So if you don't put in your access code, you won't be able to do anything on the website. So enter your access code in that box, and I'll be pasting mine here. Then tap on Enter so that you can see the quiz you are here to answer. So I won't be reading the questions one after the other. If you want the written answers to the questions, you can join us on Telegram. I already posted the answers since last night, or you can just follow along and see the answers I am choosing in this video. It's the same question you are going to see on your end, so you can enter the same answer. The first question, you are going to enter your email address associated with your Coingecko account. After entering all of your answers for the quiz and submitting your information will be verified, and the moment you get your TXTZ token, you can sell it instantly on Binance. That's where I bought mine from. So this one is a good deal. If you have not more than 50 cents worth of XTZ that you can use for gas fee, then it's a really good deal. Enter your Twitter handle, enter your Discord username. Then the transaction ID that you copied earlier when we minted the NFT, you're going to paste it here. Then you're going to paste your Tezos wallet address here as well. And then tap on Submit. So that's the end of this tutorial. If you have questions, drop me a comment. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.